Today we will review about SereneLife portable air conditioner. Three operating modes. The compact floor AC indoor cooler conditioning unit features a simple electric plug-in operation and has 3 modes. Remote control features a digital touch button control panel which includes the power mode timer. Cooling dehumidifier and fan also features automatic swing mode with moving wind vent for maximum air circulation. You don't only get the cooling effect of the portable AC, but it also helps reduce humidity levels, acts as purifier which makes your home less hospitable to allergens such as dust mites and mildew by selecting dehumidifier mode. Handy and portable. The SereneLife portable air conditioner system features a lightweight, handy, sleek body design intended to be used in the bedroom, living room or garage at home or office. It features rolling wheels for easy portability. (10,000 BTU cooling power with 1150 watt rated power and 10,000 BTU cooling power. The cold air can cover a room up to 450 square foot. Airflow is rated at 290 m3 per hour.